Jim Squires, Director of e-Business for Rural Canin. We've seen a tremendous shift in orders from phone to online. So before our shift, and in fact we did a re-platform with Insite, we were about 70% phone and 30% online. We've since shifted that, basically flipped it completely. We're more than 70% now online versus less than 30% via phone. So that's done several things for us. All of the rebuy activity now has moved to online and allows the order services team to really focus more on value-added services and servicing more technical questions and things of that nature. Additionally, we've grown the whole pie. So not only has it been a shift in how those orders are placed, but we've had tremendous growth as well. And we credit that due to our implementation of digital into the ecosystem. Where does Insite fit into our strategies? So it's definitely a critical part of our digital ecosystem. So basically, it's where almost all of our orders flow through, other than EDI. So it's critical to our growth. It's also, we're heavily dependent on it. And we're dependent on the capabilities that it offers, and we're dependent on it on growth. Ultimately, it's the platform where we're building all kinds of adjacent solutions to. So you think about right now, we're really focused on more B2B e-commerce, where future state will be focused on B2B2C as well as going direct to consumer. So it's critical to our success.